Welcome back to our cabin escape. This weekend we were hoping to have everything kind of removed from last week's disaster, but we're still waiting on the insurance to kind of do their part. We've talked to the adjuster. The adjuster will be out here in 2-3 days. It's coming Monday, so there's progress coming. Trusses are in the works, so we've kind of got the ball rolling on that. So
It's just a little slower than we had hoped to be at this point this week.
So we were hoping to have the old trusses removed so we could work on some stairs. We did do a little bit last week, but not as much as we wanted due to the fact that the opening for the stairs is still closed up, so we don't want to kind of mess with anything. Yeah, we got some other projects we need to do. So we need to level the driveway. We got some pit run and some gravel, full truckload of gravel that we need to do. So we'll get those graded. And then we have this area behind us off our man door where it's about 2.5, 3 feet tall. So we need to build some type of wall there.
we need a retaining wall to hold all of the dirt back, especially over the winter, so it doesn't just cave in and cover the door this winter.
Yeah. So we have a couple ideas with what we want to do and how we're going to do it. So yeah, we'll kind of start working on that a little bit tonight, and then hit it first thing in the morning and see what we can get done. And yeah, just kind of follow us along, see if what our ideas are, and yeah.
Yeah, we'll maybe throw a few of our ideas out there as far as some pictures of what we're thinking of. And
Also some ideas on some stairs, because we know we got to do the stairs in the upstairs area. So
and the upstairs, we definitely want more finished than we have the basement stairs. The basement stairs, we figure they're just kind of that passageway. They won't be used for a lot of people. It'll just be us basically going in and out of those stairs. So they're not dressy, they're not fancy. But our upstairs, we're thinking we want definitely more fancy. So we're starting to think of finishes that we want upstairs, colors, wood types. There's a lot that's going into the stairs that I never would have thought of would go into just picking my stairs or finishing my stairs for that first floor.
So no, we'll see how it goes. We'll probably actually ask your guys' opinion on it. Let us know your guys' thoughts, and yeah, we'll see what happens and see what we can get done. And so yeah, stay tuned.
Thanks for watching. So here we have our template that actually has a check right down the middle, so we won't be using it. And then, you can't see them. This one is all marked out for the stairs. We've measured our rise and our run, ran the template board, made sure it's good to go. So now Dave is just going to get ready and cut it for us so we can put them in place.
Hey, rough fit, that's where you're at.
I think it looks perfect, babe. Let me grab a level real quick, just make sure we're still doing what we're supposed to be. Drop yours down just a little bit again. Right there.
Okay. Well, now that it's sitting where it needs to, do you want to measure down
What am I measuring?
from top up? Make sure that you've got your good.
Oh, make sure that. See that? It'll be perfect. That is absolutely right where it's supposed to land.
Awesome.
So we have the 4 stair stringers in all the way up. Everything is leveled across, leveled front to back. Everything upstairs seems fairly stable, so we're going actually to add the risers and the stair treads on this row of stairs and see what we can get done today. So there you go. The stairs from, hold on. The stairs from the basement door up to the landing are in. Still need to put the subfloor piece onto the landing and then build the last little section, pardon me, to go around that corner and up into the first floor. We will do that hopefully maybe next weekend.
Good morning. Kind of what we're doing is our idea for our little retaining wall that we were looking at is we want to do more of a log kind of wall. So I talked to our friends at Cabin Draymond, Mike and Melissa. They have this great big old pile of wood that they used, or that they've been piling everything in from kind of cleaning up their property when they graded their cabin site. So they said, come over, grab what you need, grab what you want. So that's kind of what we're here doing right now, seeing what they have, see what we could use. So yeah, we do appreciate them allowing us to borrow some of their wood. So
So we're just going to pick through their pile and see what we can find and see if it'll work or if we're going to have to go find a spot and cut our own. So yeah, here we go.
do you want to go grab one?
One post
Yeah.
out of the back of the truck.
Unless you want to go walk to their place to grab another one.
Somebody's kind of a smart ass. So we found the posts that we wanted and decided, I think we've decided what we want to do. So now we ran into town and grabbed some bags of concrete. And we're actually going to set 3 of these posts. The last one we're going to wait a little while before we set it. It's just too close to the driveway, so we don't want to set it yet. So we're going to get those set. Dave's grabbing a few tools so that he can mix up the concrete and get this ready to go. So, yep, here, stay tuned. So there you go. We only got 2 of them done. We underestimated our concrete. So there's the one in the corner and the one over by the foundation. So they're all set, and that's pretty much all we can do to them for now. And my super duper concrete mixer. Here's what we got done this week. We got the stairs from the basement all the way up to the landing done. We have 1 more set of treads to go the other direction. I think there's 5 risers, 4 treads to go up to that upper landing to the first floor. So all of the stairs are done. We'll clean these up and make them look pretty. We did them pretty rough, but where they're just from the garage up, we weren't too worried about it. We cleaned up the man door pad area and set 2 of the posts for our little retaining wall that'll go here. We have a 3rd that's ready to set, but we ran out of concrete. So everything is cleaned up, squared up, ready to go. And then we cleaned up the driveway. So we moved all of the wood, put it at the end, spread the road base, spread gravel, moved the porta potty, watered trees, and I think we've officially run out of things to do today.
Yeah, till we can do that.
So, okay, I think that's it. I think we really have officially run out of things to do until they at least get upstairs cleaned up, so everything is a little more stable and a lot more safe for us.
We've gotten a lot of stuff still done.
And a lot of what we have done is not stuff that we planned on doing this year. This is stuff that
It was late this year, first thing in the spring. That's kind of what we anticipated to get a lot of this stuff done. But, you know, we have the time right now while we're waiting for the adjuster and the contractor now to do their thing.
And we have to come to site anyway because we have to water the trees. Otherwise, they're all going to die because of the heat right now. So,
yeah, we're up here. Might as well get, still plenty of little things to get done. So, yeah, we're still plugging away and see what happens next week when we get back up here. Hopefully everything's removed and the contractor's up here getting stuff done, but we'll wait and see how this next week goes. So
yeah, hopefully it's a really good week and there will be lots of progress when we come back next weekend.
yeah, we'll show you what we can, and yeah, stay tuned. We'll see what happens next week.
All right, thanks for watching.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, thanks. See you next week.